Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Radiance Diva Skincare, and if today is your first time of tuning in, you're highly welcome. Please do subscribe, turn on your notification bell so that you will get notification whenever I dropped a new video. Okay guys, so today I'm going to be making dark under tight treatment cream. Okay, dark under tight treatment cream, you can also call it lap, in between your thighs, when those areas, when they are dark. So this is the treatment that you're going to use to clear it off. Okay, so most people will think someone that have dark under tight, maybe the person is dirty or the person is not taking his or her bath well. No, a lot of things can cause dark under tight. Okay, especially for women, and for those women that have thick laps, like thick tights, So yeah, I'm going to be making the treatment, and after making the treatment, I'm going to be telling you procedure on how to use it. Okay, so the first product we're going to be using is BFC Carotene cream. So BFC Carotene cream, this cream is actually very, when it comes to lightening and dark spots. Okay, so this cream is very, very effective, so that is why I'm using this cream. So this is the fourth time I am making this recipe, because the first time I did it, somebody asked me to make a cream to help clear dark tights, because she said that dark tight is very dark. So actually I do not even have any recipe. Like, I was just thinking, what can I do for her? So I just think of bringing us this product, mix it and give it to her. Like, I was even scared. I hope this thing is going to work, but trust me guys, she came back with testimonies. So I'll be using this black spots carotene cream. So I'm using just one. You can do double if you want a very big portion of the cream. You can actually do the double, like use two of this. So just one of this. This cream is really, really effective. Okay, and for those that also have dark nails, if you have dark nails, you can also use this recipe. And this is a pimento serum, and this is the original pimento serum. See, there is fake pimento serum in the market. If you're not getting the original, any product you're making with pimento serum, it is going to give you skin reactions. Like some people do say pimento serum give green veins. See, that is when you are using the fake pimento serum, because I have bought the fake pimento serum twice, and ever since I've been buying the original one. So this is the original pimento serum, and I'm going to tell you the reason why I am using pimento serum with this cream. So I know most of you will be asking me, apart from a pimento serum, can I use any other serum? So I'm going to answer that question now. So the reason why I'm using this pimento serum, because the pH of this this carotene cream, the pH is very, very acidic. Okay, so because the pH is very acidic, I'm not just going to add any serum to it. I have to first of all check the pH of that serum before I'm going to use it with this product. And the pH of pimento serum is also acidic, which make these two things to be like they are good combo. You can actually mix them together without having any worries. Okay, now if you're using this carotene serum, and you actually use any serum, you mix any serum that has a very high pH level with this thing, it is not going to work. Okay, it's going to break the effectiveness of this one, and it is also going to break the effectiveness of the other serum. So apart from this carotene serum, you can use any other serum that also have low pH, that the pH is very acidic, just like this BSC carotene serum. That is why I'm using this one. So there are a lot of serum in the market that is also very, very acidic. And this pimento serum contains fruit acid. Fruit acid is very good for those that don't want to use direct acid on their skin, like what is it called, lactic acid, glycolic acid. So if you're using any other products, you can also use a product that contains fruit acid. So I'm going to be using this. The mat is actually rough because I've used this before. Just going to clean. So guys, there is a key of using this product. So you are going to follow the instruction on how to use this product so that the product will be very, very effective. It's going to work perfectly. Okay, so you can see the consistency. Look, yeah. So I'm going to be using 3 spoons of the pimento serum. This is a teaspoon, okay, a baby spoon. I'm using 3. So this is it. So the first thing is to mix. Guys, this thing is very, very effective, eh? And if you want to join our online training, guys, come and join. Oh, you see that I don't come to YouTube always. I'm doing my training online. Giving effective recipes to my students. Okay, guys, the next thing we're going to add is the HD secret oil. So if you have used this oil before, please leave your comments below the comment section and let other people know how effective this oil is. It is a very small oil, just very small oil, but it is really, really effective. Okay, so HD secret oil works on the hottest outer skin. Okay, it works on the outer skin to accelerate natural skin renewal. So it's going to renew your skin. Remember that we are treating dark tight. So that dark tight, this products that we are using, all the products that we are using is to help to renew the skin so that your tight can come back light again. Okay, so it induces harmless inflammatory reaction that boosts production of new skin cell that will leave your skin ever smooth and healthy. So I'm going to be using this one. This is 10 ml. Very, very effective. It's not big but effective, guys. So I'm just going to open this. So guys, if you don't have this oil, you can actually use any oil that you know that is also effective. Sometimes if I don't have this HD oil, I use whitening oil. Okay, the reason why we are adding oil to it, so that the oil will help to be moisturizing that area. Remember, if your tight is dark, the last thing you want to do is to be allowing your tight to be dried. If your tight is not moisturized, you will see it will keep coming darker. So it needs to be moisturized. So that is why I'm adding in oil. So you can add any lightening oil of your choice. So for those of you can say, maybe can I add olive oil? Yes. Can I add coconut oil? Yes. So the reason why I'm using this one, because of the effectiveness. Okay, because of the effectiveness, that is why I am using this one. So sometimes I do use, this is my arba oil. We all know that arba oil helps to treat the skin. Arba oil helps to treat skin because this arba oil, they are packed with a lot of plant benefits that helps to heal the skin. So you just mix this like this. This cream you're seeing here, it is very small but very, very effective. So now the only thing you are allowed to add here, if you have it, is vitamin E oil, but it is not compulsory anyway. So you can see this is it. This is your cream now, guys. So let me pack it up and I'll tell you how to use this product. And this is how you're going to use it. This is the procedure. So this one is your cream, you keep it outside. So make sure you exfoliate that area twice in a week. Exfoliating means by scrubbing. It is very important, okay? Make sure you scrub that area twice in a week. And after scrubbing, or even the day that you did not scrub, after you must have finished taking your bath, okay? After you must have finished taking your bath, and if you're taking your bath, make sure that you are using your sponge a lot to wash that part. So after you finish, this is what is it called? My toner, okay? This toner helps to peel out the skin. So you can use any toner that helps to peel out the skin, not peeling like that, not how would I call it, not rough peeling anyway, a gentle peeling. Okay, so it will help to exfoliate that place. You use your cotton wool after you finish taking your bath, then you use your cotton wool, put this inside your cotton wool, and you use it to clean that area. Okay, once you finish cleaning that area, then you allow it to dry. So this one, you can use this one during the daytime, okay? So you can use this one during the daytime after you must have finished taking your bath, just like this same way. You use this one to wipe, and you use this one during the daytime. So you apply this Fombat A. So the reason why we are using Fombat A is very, very good when it comes to treating all these kind of things, okay? Fombat A is very good when it comes to treating all these kind of things. So you have to use Fombat A in the morning time, and you use Fombat A in the evening time. So you can use Fombat A for like 3, 4 to 5 days, or even 1 week. Once you see the difference is clear, because Fombat A is not going to, how will I put it? It's going to remove those, how will I put it? It's just going to remove, it's going to make that place to be a little brighter, so that your cream can work better, okay? So Fombat A is going to help to treat that very place. It's going to help to treat it. Then after you must have noticed that that place is a bit okay, then you drop your Fombat A. Remember, Fombat A, you cannot use Fombat A every day on your skin, just for a treatment. So if you finish treating it, then you leave your Fombat A. And once you leave your Fombat A, this is what you start using. You see Fombat A. If you're using Fombat A on your skin to treat anything, immediately you stop using Fombat A, that thing is going to come back again. I don't know if anybody know about this, okay? So first we use Fombat A to treat it. Once you notice the difference, then you drop your Fombat A. Then this will be your lap cream or your tight cream, anything. This will be your cream. Okay, so if you finish taking your bath, the last thing you're going to apply is your cream. So you can use your normal body cream. You can also apply your normal body cream on your lap, but after that you still need to apply this on your laps, especially before you go to bed. You apply it on your lap. You will see how your tight will start coming lighter. So like I said before, the first thing is scrubbing, okay, twice in a week. Second thing, you use a toner, okay? You use a toner and you clean that area with the toner, and you use this one for like 1 week, okay? For like 1 week. Once you notice the change, then you stop using this one, and this is your cream. This is your cream. This one is just to treat that area, okay? So because if you didn't treat that area first and you start using your cream, it's like you're wasting your time. So that is why we need Fombat A to first of all treat that area, okay? So if you have any cream that also do the work of Fombat A, especially when you see triple action or any tube cream that is made with clobetasol, okay? Any cream that is made with clobetasol, then you can use it. It must not be Fombat A. If you just go to the back, you see clobetasol on it, then you can use it. Once you finish treating for like 1 week, then this will not be your normal tight cream, okay? So thank you, and I'm going to see you soon in my other next video. Bye.